Namaste. This is Amrish Shah, a brain health practitioner, globally certified by Dr. Sarah McKay, who is a PhD from Oxford, a leading neuroscientist in the world today. So I've been mentored by her in brain health, well-being, which includes immunity. I'm the member of the Society for Neuroscience headquartered in Washington. Today I'm going to talk about brain reserves, cognitive reserves. Most importantly, immunity, which is so relevant in today's times, especially when we have to face a global pandemic at our doorstep. Thus, when we practice brain health with a regime for a day, for a week, for a month, for a year, we become a neural network of scientific, evidence-based brain science applications. Those networks, the neural pathways, become our default mechanisms to operate our brain in good times, in not so good times, and especially in times of crisis, global pandemics, different kinds of epidemics, personal health issues, and every other issue that our brain has to face on a day-to-day basis. We also thus, by the right nutrition, the good amount of quality sleep, daily exercise, good healthy social connect, physical distancing in certain times, but socially connected, constantly challenging our thoughts, meaning taking up new learnings, whether it is music, whether it is reading new books, acquiring new skills, challenging our brains with any possible cognitive exercise, talent, skill that we can acquire. Then we apply the science of thoughts, the ability to constantly change our thoughts. Good thoughts come to us, bad thoughts come to us. We can transform the bad thoughts into good thoughts. Similarly, self-awareness is the key to brain health, to neuroscience applications. The moment we start learning being mindful, meditate upon our own thoughts, which is also called metacognition in the neuroscience language or understanding. Metacognition, thinking about thinking, being cognitive about your cognitive processes. Mindfulness, as per the Indian ancient wisdom. When we practice that self-awareness, to begin with, to understand who we are as a self, and that we have the control over our brain, and that we can change it constantly for the better with neuroplasticity, the scientific evidences and applications. Therefore, our mantra at Supermind Foundation is your brain, your superpower. Thank you. This is Amrish Shah again. Please contact me for any queries, applications, health issues, mental health issues rather, at supermindworld@gmail.com. The email is supermindworld@gmail.com. And the website is www.supermind.world. www.supermind.world. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, stay kind. Thank you.